Gentia, American the American. The Ababeto Mwene, and he said, judgment here, Tamale High Court judge in the bar concerning the Tamale Kpandai seat, no. Mistake kesiye ewumpa. Na sa mistake no. Eno enene the former spokesperson for Yura Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the communication deputy communication minister. Ye maame Fatima Bubakar. Our sansu ye lawyer ni. Oni another top NPP lawyers. Aye mhwehwemu wo judgment na judge na de ba ye ewo Kpandai no. Ahu say there is a big error in the judgment. Senka judge no ehu sa error na nka he would have never make any pronouncement. Say yen declare Kpandai seat no vacant and as yenko run. Na yedin chire mu mbrɛw. Ewura Matthew so akasa the MP otina ko nwa so na NDC for tata ne se ontu ono so akasa. Na mbom ebe ehu behia so betie ne yepa. De nam so nti ene ama judgment na lawyer ne de ba judge ne de ba ye no ye ba be bo ato agu. Ye ba be bobo ato agu na Ewura Matthew assign atena ne ko nwa so as MP. You have to get attention very well. Say I was say wuntie asem na Ewura ya maame Fatima Bubakar eba beka no tieni yipa. There is a big error na ewo judgment enum no emu eduru pa. It is not possible say sabio Supreme Court and as a High Court of Tamale ebetumi abunani agusa mistake na ewo judgment enum. And it automatically means say rerun elections no enkoso. Mr. Matthew will remain the MP for Kpandai and nobody can change it. Into video no, the mistakes here NDC judge in Tamale aye in terms of making his judgment. And I'm say lawyer ni no ko jina asem no mo de ma the NPP MP no. Now was saying country judge na so NC adie bi so and as country na adwene NC mistake be a fundamental and san asem no kura be kan ho asem e wo court wayaka. But I don't know why ya one twena adwene mfiri so. Ye maame Fatima Abubakar e de chechire mu ebre. Yentie the mistakes are e judgment no.
Okay. And then Nana Befi Boa and Nana Benye Akron.
Oh, okay.
And you could see Honorable Martin in Damanam and name what Tamaliana pay.
Judge, no say ordinary ruling beba on the 18th of December. Sanity.
Me patron, Saturday.
Moya disappointed and I say a normal at the mamo.
So many the only sending in Agu Judge Kukum. Name of your GDM passe. And I'm saying de emrana ye juma na emran so de pepe ye banti ye did say we have affidavit de call in support of the motion and case I sitting and pay nyame adomwa ebeba in our favor.
Okay, into that's my belief. Say on the 18th the ruling ebeba no na wa granted the stay of execution no. Very well. Now, and no beba that ruling will come on the 18th. By himself, more file a certiorari application and so to the Supreme Court. And also, no certiorari idea. No, the court will hear that on the
certiorari idea. A judicial review application.
Sure.
And the court to Supreme Court.
Sure.
Nyame adomwa ebinabe wo ye nyima 16th December 2025.
Yes.
And nyame adoma Supreme Court no ebesi nkonya wa asem no ho da edikan kra.
Enti ano nso no yemfa ne say on the day moye arguments ni na wie na se court no emma ne ruling me Supreme Court emma ne ruling on the 16th no na ekoma mo a what it means ne say it automatically causes the decision of the High Court meboa.
And not just
a High Court ruling on the
interlocutory application for stay no baba be moot meboa
ni na ehu mehia bio na ma mencho agency bibi so obi ensama ye kan ya file appeal na ye the notice of appeal no to one yes the application for stay of execution is at home.
Yes.
And I think so yes file judicial review no for an order to quash the judgment of the trial judge which was given on 24th November 2025 no. Yankon and Sapan. And ye call ye no so ye namumra kwanso na eko because obi me judicial and then prempema ye ka say se emra na anya adwuma na mra ani amwa baby enu ho a obeko ehe na obeko obeka so voice of reasoning omu government was a platform so unya kamafo enti no sesabe honorable Matthew Nyindam wakwa abato on 7 December 2024 abo motomano ni odinechi ayeye NDC candidate no ochini mu by 3,734 votes. Decisively he won. Enya aba obeka so we dey 50 bi na 3 to say honorable titles yeni bi anase a close. It's not even a close election. And na me to so mienu. Yes, elections are won at the polling station. Aba omokoto ye no so no. Ushemwa out of the 152 polling stations 150 agents of both the NDC and NPP almost sign in. So do agent kojina polling station near Koto Aba na bibia wie ne kodua nwumre ne ye kan ne ye bumbo na ye poso na wo agent sign a obi pastor asechere ne sen asechere ne say wo agent anase wana musini no waje atum say aba ye to wa ha say ekoso kama emu fine na ne ye nyae no so ya kan bi amaye ene ye de ato kracha so aye so ye de ensa ahya afie enti a petitioner no NDC candidate no file a petition at the high court no yensu si ye ne say enya ne say okọ court na okọ plead bibi a ope bi ane e de amount there bi okọ plead say yanko run election no kra ss court no hwe say o de adanse e kire say na irregularities e wa abato no mu a ansa na court na timi grant bibi sa ama enti no yese eba ne sen na eye NDC candidate and as a petitioner respondent in this application ya call movie and pay ono went me adduce evidence to show say eye elections na call so eye 152 polling stations ni na irregularities wom na what me akọ court na me wo hwehwe no woni hu adanse na court na ebeka na asemama no ye gidi say emra kwan so ne ye ni bibisa atentene ne entime ma ne atoso mienu Osha Representation of the People's Act 1992, PNDC Law 284, Section 18.1 and 18.2. Aman sheye ekwanya wo betimi afa so the election petition aba court in parliamentary elections. Sana wo betimi di aba. Yes, sana wo betimi the election petition aba otemuafo enim in parliamentary election no. Edi kan SSA will make sure say ya gazette election no easy omo de atudwa oma publish oma sa gazette is a matter of law ya gazette say easy abubo bibia se nkrata so omo de akọ Ghana Publishing Company assembly press ama oma ko gazette wo honom so what you say ya gazette in a publication of gazette no notice no be mo hu say according to East Ghana Publishing record, and that say any gazette election ya kan ho asem. Election ya kan ho asem. It was gazetted on 24 December 2024. And you know say section 18 of PNDC law 284 requires say the day after the gazette you have within 21 days to file your petition at the High Court.
Yes.
Meaning, not petitioner no, or not a lawyer for, or more all the way up to 13th January to file the petition. Now, Obi, this is the case. Said the first time our filing petition was on 23rd December, even before the elections were gazetted. And it was premature. And omo call court no omo hu say there be omo file within the specified time by law. I say so omo file no omo yi free ho. And omo say be file bill on 25th January 2025, which was 32 clear days from the day of Gazette. Enti na asem no call court no ne na di kan a na ehwe animu say asem no call court a enko mu twen otemuafo adwene fi so say e da say ne file da say ne gazette na nko mu kita evidence of sa gazette na ananso omunya a copy of the gazette from Ghana Publishing Company Limited and about the learned trial judge anima enko beka say me need jurisdiction on this matter because it was filed out of time. Now so unfortunately that didn't happen. Now so yenim say emra no so ma kwan nhihye bi ne emra ne kire se kwan we ne se so ofa so o fa kwan foforo bia so a eni kwan se court no ma kwan na odi nkunim asem no enti ye no ye file notice of appeal and yes apply for stay no because ye did say judgment na court no de ba on 24th November no edi in kind no based on a jurisdictional error. And as I told you, no judgment no is against the weight of evidence petitioner no or the buy. Because petitioner no e wo mu so plead bibi obetima plead bia. Now so no answer say or cite 40 irregularities in 41 polling stations. And mind you, also from a culture say out of the 152 polling stations, 150 or more agents endorsing nina. Endorsing pink sheets nina. Into our back court no see irregularities and wo 41 months e training in amwa na minjin bi say with the weight of the evidence yen so your client na adduce here lawyers at the time adduce here and then some no fact say wo no na enye outcome ye hwehwe any judgment na ba
okay it is a meaning say the certiorari application before the Supreme Court, no, on jurisdictional issues. Okay. And because almost file a petition out of time, no, now the jurisdiction of the court was not properly invoked. That's fine.
And I'm running to such say court in me jurisdiction. Nothing or not assem so. Over the case of Amoesi the third versus Chinto 1988 one Ghana law report at 554. Supreme Court na kasi sudia. Say tribunal wote asem so.
Yes.
Sa asem na wote so no only jurisdiction. O take decision in sa asem na SSS sa decision no a nullity. But what you need. Now, so what decision never affect you, Biano, or Emramu Quine, so best set aside decision aside. And see, no way crying Cabre Dicaya election petition and parliamentary election petition. I caught him one for any man, or anyone need jurisdiction and what the respectful judge never can say. You need jurisdiction to move from
but in election petitions and so on, me NCK leave from court to file out of time.
Me patrol there be. You want near me, no. Say you security for cost.
Yes.
Any petition and kasa will file.
Yes.
But what you
yes.
Although how within 21 days, you know, 1 or 2 and near maybe a washer a petition no onye. Enti sa leave no ne say nko we di kan kra kokotua security for customer to court.
Okay.
But you would say
yes.
E di advance say we taking the necessary steps so be file petition no. But in this particular case no security no krampo no omutua on the 27th of January 2025 which is 34 clear days of the day omo gazette your friend is saying Kpandai parliamentary
Enti Yamami Fatima Abubakar and I nka on the legal practitioner, how things are going in the Tamale High Court war. Na hey young Konkotie, Papa na ono ankasa ne ho aba asema and this for a trainer war akonya so den. Also the okaye after these issues pop out in the court of Tamale High Court. Yentie asema yura Matthew so editor abonten.
Na Tamale, yeah, Tamale, ukoye the stay of execution application na court netina so ne ana.
Mame fa kwa nyeshina machi watiefo na maji atum say stay of proceedings no ana execution no na lawyers no aba efrin kra aba ene yako move senka court no betie yasem enam say me omode ye me oman yemu de owi the least said about it better until ka judge no stay in the proceedings no nanka ye wopa yako high court na yako Supreme Court
yes
nanka yama mrano enya adwuma na sabe me so ame Ghana ni nanka omatie me nanka me difo a nanka sabe ni asi wo parliament nanka timi asi nti omuka say lawyers no sabe omuka mrano de but judge no say ono wontimi nka enne nti emra 18th na obetimi ordinary ruling baba
18th December
mana make a chiro
na ode ni ruling on the application for stay of execution no
baba also wakasi nti emra wo manyi no obi nti say na dey emra be adwuma dia say ne
yeah but mostly yeah enye judges nyina ne ma omu rulings on the same day even the Supreme Court kwa sometime na omutu eshe yes but we be the agency of the situation ninti
look at the trouble you are subjecting somebody to a member of parliament no be a sabe ma kwa akobokro no bi amanfo asa line no ma to aba ma me ma fa me ho say me ba be som Kpandai for ma so man asem na o ma gimi atum na ato aba ma me sabe enya aba kuma aba ko almost 4,000 and my parliament here me ho adwuma me ya adwuma ma Kpandai for a BBC asi hwekwan ya omode me de faso because uhwe na ekoso na obi sabe me I don't understand me nbone pa ma sheda you obi and let me tie me nuanom and God bless my caucus because nyom betimi aya na omoya no almost cite instances even quantity na ebeka se mrakura sabe o ensheda nya adwuma no wole si ba election a yekoye samanyamake look at those days onukrano parliament allowed him to go through to up to the appeal court say appeal court bull for say minua constitutionally no unfree ho efre ono akire dan abudakwe he got the same treatment onukrano the court pronounced say why ye boni mo de no ko sabi o ye de no ko jail o onye sabe o fie te say the way am me wo ha me sabe me wo fie no sabe me nye boni bi no the seat was left for him until say sabe onya presidential pardon kura ba ye be take over Abu Sakandi he got the same treatment Okuya koduru sabio appeal court and sana omubia no for constitutionally ena sasit no omo declare no vacant Dr. Yakubu Miao the same treatment was given to him. He's although court nubuya say the way Abano Moto Miono, it was wrong. He went to the appeal, sought for stay of execution. The parliament allowed him until say the High Court overturned that ruling of the appeal court overturned the issues in his favor. Now that question and no can answer no. He enjoyed the same privilege until the Supreme Court rule say he should not hold himself as the MP any longer.
And you are saying, sir, in all these instances, no, Parliament and declare or seat vacant.
No, until they fought the legal battle to the end. Because when say when it comes to parliamentary elections,
yes,
who were up to the appeal court say,
yeah, court of appeal, yeah, sure.
We just gone to the Supreme Court because of your friend said the Gazette notification in nearby, you know, which has to do with the status. That is why we went to the Supreme Court. Other than that, the appeal court, you know, and then the last resort for me to know, say, ruling now High Court the abano, a juma, na say enya juma. But then I mean, kwame die. And then I mean, kwame die.
Yes, enti se wutie the MP, the sitting MP of Kpandai City, Ramatiwa. Your children say, NDC judges no more sabio court to hold watermalino. A jumano muye, you know. It is unlawful. And appeal Parliament tonight, they actually say they want to declare his seat vacant, you know, and say it's unlawful. Now, you train, they have heard the outcome, sabio judge, and they be on the 18th of this month. I hope, Enna, Emrana, MPP lawyers, they are coach the judge, you know, or the bitch has no judgment. But I can assure you, sir, with this said, you know, it is 100% sure, sir, the seat will remain an MPP seat. And yes, our party, and there's abuse of power. I was also wondering, I will comment session box. Dear Utie, what do you think about it? Meeting any Mr. Mafu here, Ras Media. Until we meet again, adios.